Meaning of impurity.
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 Impurity. The term impurity refers to the presence of any unwanted or undesirable substance in a material or product. In chemistry, impurities can affect the purity, quality, and properties of a substance. In pharmaceuticals, impurities can have implications for safety and efficacy. In manufacturing processes, impurities can lead to defects in the final product. In environmental studies, impurities can impact water and air quality. Identifying and removing impurities is important to maintain the desired characteristics and performance of materials and products and protect human health and the environment.